little brainy students of 7th class, Assalamu alaikum. Students, hard work never goes unrewarded in any case. It is a famous quote and you all are well aware of this thing. So keep on the same track with the same spirit as you have been doing before vacations of Eid al-Azha. So here I welcome you for the new challenge ahead in the form of the next lecture of English Broadway. I hope that Eid al-Azha would have brought countless blessings for you and for your dear and near ones. May Allah accept our deeds and sacrifices on this auspicious occasion. As you know that our first bi-monthly syllabus is completed and now it's time for mid-term syllabus. And we will take a start from English A, our book Broadway. Today we are going to read unit number 2, The Natural World. In our lecture number 1 of section 1, we will read the chapter Saving the Mangroves. Before reading, we have to know what are mangroves. As we all know that mangroves are the trees, but what kind of trees? Mangrove is a tropical evergreen tree found near tropical coasts. Dear students, as we know that our very lives depend on trees. Trees are the important part of our life, isn't it? Therefore, it is our duty to protect them. Here is a true story that we are going to read in section number 1, Saving the Mangroves, and this story introduces you to a community that is committed to saving trees. Let's start the reading of the chapter, Saving the Mangroves. As I told you before that this story introduces you to a community that is committed to saving trees. Katie Bandar is a small fishing town located in Indus Delta. What is Delta? A triangular land area at the place where a river meets the sea. This is the place where the Indus River meets the Arabian Sea. As seawater intrudes, what is the meaning of intrudes? To make an unwelcome entry into the delta. It is destroying the mangrove forests in the area. Means the seawater that intrudes or that enter into the delta is destroying the mangrove forests. These mangrove forests are very important, as we all know that the trees are the important part of our life. So the mangrove forests are very important to the people of the delta. Most villagers earn means to gain. They get their living. They earn their living by fishing, and these forests provide a breeding ground. Breeding ground means a place or the situation that favors the development, that are good for the development of the living things. For example, shrimps, prawns and fish. Means that the mangrove forests are the breeding ground for shrimps, prawns and fish. Next paragraph. In this paragraph, we will read about the importance of the mangrove trees for the people of the delta. Mangroves also provide wood for fuel, fodder for cattle. What is fodder? Food. And grazing ground for camels. What are the grazing grounds? The area where animals eat. Some important chemicals are obtained from mangroves. Mangroves also protect the coast, the edge of the land. What is the coast? The edge of the land where it meets an ocean from storms and tsunamis. And what are tsunamis? Tsunamis are the very large and destructive wave. So these are the uses of the mangrove trees or the mangrove forest for the people of delta. The mangrove forests along the coast of Pakistan are a sanctuary. Sanctuary means a place of safety to migratory birds as well. This is the place where the migratory birds can come and can take shelter and food. Earlier, Pakistan had one of the largest mangrove forests in the world. Indus Delta used to be home to thick mangrove forest stretching from Karachi to Rann of Kutch. This is the area where mangrove forests were present in large number. But these forests began to be destroyed by continuous seawater intrusion. As we have read before, that the seawater is destroying the mangrove forest or the trees. Lack of fresh water in the delta, pollution, cutting of trees for fuel, and grazing by animals. These are all the reasons that are destroying the mangrove forest. KT Bandar was once a prosperous town. Prosperous town means the wealthy town. The local people used to grow red rice, bananas, coconuts, and melons. Later, their agricultural land were either swept away by the sea, as the seawater intrusion, or spoiled by the seawater. The agricultural lands of these people, those who are living in this delta, were either swept away. Swept away means to destroy or move away by the seawater, or we can say that those lands are spoiled by the seawater. Indus Delta used to be home to thick mangrove forest stretching from Karachi to Rann of Kutch. This is the area where mangrove forests were present in large number. But these forests began to be destroyed by continuous seawater intrusion. As we have read before, that the seawater is destroying the mangrove forest or the trees. Lack of fresh water in the delta, pollution, cutting of trees for fuel, and grazing by animals. These are all the reasons that are destroying the mangrove forest. KT Bandar was once a prosperous town. Prosperous town means the wealthy town. The local people used to grow red rice, bananas, coconuts, and melons. Later, their agricultural land were either swept away by the sea, as the seawater intrusion, or spoiled by the seawater. This area used to contain one of the largest mangrove forests in 1980s. Means in 1980s there was the largest mangrove forest were found in this area. 8 species of the mangroves once grew in the area. There are the 8 types of the mangroves. But now only 3 species survive because of pollution, seawater intrusion, cutting for the fuel, and grazing by the animals. The gradual decrease, the decrease that comes in a very slow manner. The gradual decrease in fresh water and an increase in seawater have seriously affected the growth of mangroves. Until recently, there was very little vegetation. Vegetation means greenery. Very little vegetation left in KT Bandar, but during the past few years, there has been a change. Now, there are new plantations of mangroves in and around the villages. The villagers are protecting the mangroves by controlling their cutting and grazing. Many festivals are organized in which people are taught about the importance of protecting the mangroves. I told you in the introduction that this story introduces you to a community that is very committed to save the trees or the mangroves. The local community, the people who live there, is currently involved in planting yet more mangroves in the area. In July 2009, Pakistan set a new world record of planting 5,41,176 mangrove plants in KT Bandar. Nearly 400 trained workers took an active part to achieve the target. This shows the commitment of those people who wanted to save their forests. Each worker had to plant more than 1,300 plants from morning until evening. Where there was once nothing but mud, mangrove saplings are growing. The place where there was a lack of the greenery, but because of the people's commitment and hard work, mangrove saplings are growing. What are saplings? The small plants. It was a festive environment. What is festive environment? The happy environment, the cherished environment, as people from the local community as well as those from neighboring villages were present in large numbers. Many government officers and social workers also came to support the people planting the mangroves. Local artists kept performing and playing musical instruments all day to encourage the workers. We can imagine the cherished environment of that time. The people of the KT Bandar are giving not only themselves but others in the delta area the hope of a better future. As I told you before that the mangrove forests are very important for the people of delta because these forests provide food, fuel, and many chemicals. And by planting more and more samplings of the mangroves, the people of the KT Bandar are giving the hope of the better future for the other people who are living in Delta area. Our chapter is completed. You have to do the reading of the chapter carefully, underline all difficult words and write students. In lecture number 1, we have completed our reading. I hope that you have done the reading carefully. Now we are going to take start of our written task on our English notebook. So students, open your notebooks, draw margin, and we will prepare our first page, that is unit tag page. We will write unit number 2, the natural world, section number 1, saving the mangroves. So let's start vocabulary. I hope that you have done the margin and date and day. We will give the heading of the vocabulary with nib cut marker in 2 lines, as you can see in your PDF file. Underline, double underline the heading. Then we will start our vocabulary. First word is located. Located is a verb, means situated. Number 2, intrude, verb, to enter without permission. Number 3, delta. Delta is a name of the place, so it is noun. A landform at the mouth of river where it empties into a body of water. Number 4, breeding. Breeding is a noun. The process of development. Dear students, try to keep your handwriting illegible and neat. Our next word is mangrove. Mangrove is a noun, a tropical evergreen tree. Number 6, fodder. Fodder is also a noun, means food for animals. Number 7, coast. Coast is a noun, means seashore. Number 8, sanctuary. Noun, a place of safety or refuge. Word number 9 is migratory. Migratory is an adjective, animals which move from one region to another. Number 10, stretching. Stretching is a verb, extending or spreading. Species, noun, a type of plants or animals. Number 12, gradual. Gradual is an adjective, step by step. Vegetation. Vegetation, noun, plants taken collectively. Number 14, plantation, noun, means large farm. Number 15, sapling. Sapling is a noun, a young tree. And the last word is community. Community is noun, a group sharing a common language, manners and law. Our vocabulary is completed. Next we will take the start of our question answers. Give the heading of the question answers in 2 lines and double underline the heading, as you can see in your PDF file. Try to keep your handwriting neat. Our question number 1 is, where is KT Bandar located? KT Bandar is a small fishing town located in the Indus Delta. This is the place where the Indus River meets the Arabian Sea. Our question number 1 is completed. So we have to skip a line and we will take a start of question number 2. What are the main occupations of the people of KT Bandar? Most of the people of the KT Bandar earn their living by agriculture and fishing. In what ways are mangroves important for the local community? The mangroves provide a breeding ground for fish. The trees provide wood for fuel and fodder for cattle. Some important chemicals are obtained from them. The mangroves also protect area from storms. Our question number 3 is completed. So, we will skip a line and take a start of question number 4. Why did the number of mangrove forests decrease in the area? The number of mangrove forests decreased in the area because of water intrusion, lack of fresh water in delta, pollution, and excessive cutting of trees for fuel. Our question number 4 is completed. Next, question number 5. What was a record that Pakistan set in July 2009 and how was it achieved? In July 2009, Pakistan set a world record for planting the highest number of trees in a single day. Nearly 400 workers planted 5,41,176 mangrove saplings in KT Bandar. Our question answers are completed. On the next page, we will give the heading of sentences. We will give the heading in 2 lines and double underline the heading. Skip a line and write the first word located. My school is located in urban area. Skip a line and write word number 2, fodder. Ali provides fodder to his pet animals. I told you about the meaning of the fodder. What is fodder? The food for animals. After skipping a line, we will write word number 3, coast. I found many shells on the coast. Skip a line and write the next word, prosperous. Pakistan is prosperous in agricultural field. After skipping a line, write word number 5, gradual. There is gradual improvement in Ali's performance. Number 6, organized. My mother organized a birthday party for me. Don't forget to skip a line after sentence. Number 7, local. My father went to a local doctor for checkup. Number 8, community. We belong to a Muslim community. Our sentences are completed. You can take a guideline from your PDF file, and your today's task is watch video lecture carefully, do reading, underline difficult words and understand all the points. Do written task on your English notebook in illegible and neat handwriting from your PDF file. Do learning of the written task with practice.